Thinking about building long-term wealth with real estate? Here's how smart investors are using rental properties and creative DSCR loans to turn one down payment into generational cash flow. But let's be clear, this strategy isn't for everyone. Let me show you exactly how it works. Let's walk through how real estate investing really builds wealth, especially if you are just getting started. Section number 1, the strategy. Here is the foundation. Step 1, you buy a rental property using a DSCR loan. Step 2, your tenant covers the monthly costs of mortgage, taxes, and insurance. Step 3, over time, your property appreciates, your loan balance shrinks, and your equity grows. You are making money from cash flow and asset growth while building long-term wealth.
Nice.
Section number 2, the math behind the wealth. Let's say you have got $60,000 to invest. With a loan, you use that 60 grand as 10% down payment on a $600,000 rental. Your monthly numbers might look like this. Principal and interest, $37.77. Property taxes, $650. Insurance, $250. Total monthly expenses around $46.77. Now, let's say the property rents for $5,200 a month, the entire property, or let's say that you're living in one and then you're renting a separate. Or if there are 2 units, you're living in one and renting the other one in $3,500. So you will have to use your future rental that you're supposed to be paying to analyze the real cash flow. If you analyze correctly, you will be already positive on about $500. Over 30 years with just 4% annual appreciation, that $600,000 property becomes almost $1.95 million.
I like it a lot.
And your $60,000, it just helped you build a fully paid off asset with 7-figure equity. That is the power of leverage, passive income, and smart investing. Let me give you 10 real world tips I wish I had when I started. Tip number 1, set up an LLC. Protect your personal assets and operate like a business. Especially important in places like New York, New Jersey, Connecticut. If your property has a mortgage, talk to your lender or attorney before transferring to an LLC. Tip number 2, get landlord insurance. It covers you for damages and lawsuits that regular homeowners insurance won't. Tip number 3, screen your tenants. Credit checks, background checks, reference check. Bad tenants can destroy your bottom line. Tip number 4, if you hate managing tenants, hire it out. A good property manager can save you time and money. Just make sure that the numbers still work after management fees. Tip number 5, act fast when rent isn't paid. The longer you wait, the worse it gets. Get legal help immediately if needed. Tip number 6, learn the local rules on security deposits. Some cities are strict, especially in New York. Mishandling it can cost you big. Tip number 7, only buy properties where the numbers work. Run your mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Then compare that to the actual rent comes in the area. If the math doesn't work, walk away. Tip number 8, build your credit. DSCR loans are assets-based, but good credit still gets you better terms. Tip number 9, understand rental property taxes. You can deduct mortgage interest, property taxes, repairs, insurance, and depreciation, which often means you owe 0 tax on your rental income. Tip number 10, use 1031 exchange when you sell. You can defer capital gains tax by rolling profits into another investment property. Or hold the property for life and let your heirs inherit tax-free. It is called the step-up basis. And yes, it is completely legal. Section number 4, why DSCR loans work. So what is a DSCR loan? It stands for debt service coverage ratio. It means the lender qualifies the loan based on the property's income, not your tax returns, W-2s, or job history. It's ideal for real estate investors, self-employed borrowers, and anyone building passive income. I have closed DSCR loans across the country From multifamilies in Brooklyn to condos in Stanford to cash flowing duplexes in New Haven. And I can help you do the same, no matter what state you're investing in. Real estate investing is one of the best paths to financial freedom when done right. If you found this helpful, follow me for more investor-focused tips. Or schedule a free strategy call and I will help you figure out which DSCR loans fits your next deal. Let's turn today's challenges into tomorrow's cash flow.
If you want to learn how to use financing to grow your portfolio, check out my DSCR Loan Tips and Tricks playlist. Inside, you'll find powerful strategies, lender insights, and real-world tips to help you close more deals and maximize your cash flow.